You pickup owners are going to really like this tip. Let's say you just picked up a new pickup, you got a bed liner, and you're going to haul dirt and gravel, and guess where the weakness is? That's right, it's right in here where the tailgate closes against the bed. You know, how many times have you hauled dirt or rocks or gravel, only to come back, try to clean this up, and you have all this junk down in the hinge line? I haven't seen anything on the market that really will do the trick that this zip tape will. This is Zip Systems flashing tape. Now, I've used this in construction. I probably used 15 rolls building my log cabin, but this is the most amazing tape in the world, folks. This sticks to anything. It's very pliable, very stretchy, and this will last a long time if you put it in the hinge line on your pickup. Now, you'll also be able to cover the sides, and even these latches over here you can cover with zip tape. So there's the answer. Okay, now it's much easier to clean up the bed after hauling gravel.